Hello friends, this is Sandeep, research scholar from University of Jammu. So in the last video, we have learned about Bibliometric and Biblioshiny app. So in the today video, we will learn how to install Bibliometric package. So let's go to RStudio, type RStudio. As in my previous video, you have seen how to install first R and then RStudio. If not, you can see my previous video, so you can clear the screen with Control L. So here in the R script you have to load the package. So for this you have two options. First you have to go tool, click install packages, then here type Biblio. Next Bibliometrics, you can type here and click here install, or you can click here and type install dot packages and in bracket between inverted comma type bibliometric. Then you can click run or control plus enter. The package is installing, you have to wait for 1 minute. Here you can see that the package bibliometric successfully unpacked. So the package is installed successfully. Second is command is you have to activate the package. So type library and in bracket type bibliometric. A Dropbox is also come. So when your internet connection is working, when you type certain command here, uh, you have typed only 4 or 5 words, it automatically show you that this package is available. So you can click on the package or you can type whole command. So that is bibliometric library in between bracket. Then run the command. So here you can see that the command is executed, and here the message will pop up. To start with the Biblioshiny app, please digit Biblioshiny. So just type here Biblioshiny, bracket start and close. Here it is also shown Biblioshiny bracket start and close. This is the command. And just click here run. And then you will be redirected to a new page. So wait for 1 minute. In the PPT, you can also see that if you want to install our package, so these are the three basic command. Install bibliometric package, then start the Biblioshiny digiting, and in the last type Biblioshiny app. So let's go to the R. So maybe the page, yes, this is the web interference of Biblioshiny app. So here you can see that it's a bibliometric package and bibliometrics. Here it is made a shiny app, user-friendly app. So without coding, you can work here. So here, Biblioshiny, the shiny app for bibliometrics. Here you can see that there are 1.19 million total download for this package. Go here. So here you can see that in the Bibliometric package, they have also integrated the AI feature. Like in all software, you have a certain AI addition. So in the Bibliometrics, the AI artificial intelligence is also included. Just go down. Here you can see that this is BiblioShiny 5.0 that include Biblo AI. It means you have certain feature of artificial intelligence for your analysis. A powerful AI assistant for your science mapping analysis. So here, BiblioShiny Bibliometrics are open source, freely available for user, distributed under the MIT license. You can freely use. There is no problem, but that the author to cite the following. But you must cite these. So this is the citation. That is Area M and Gurulu 2017. This is the main paper. You can also search the paper in which they have show all the step by step how to do bibliometric analysis in R. So the name of the paper is Bibliometrics and R tool for comprehensive size mapping analysis, Journal of Informatic. That is the volume and page number. So make sure when you use this bibliometric package for the publication purpose, cite this author. You can visit the bibliometric website, like have earlier told you, to read more detail about that. So let's go to the package. Here you have the option that is BiblioShiny. These are the interfaces. Second option is information. Here you have Biblo AI. They have recently included Biblo AI here. Then the supported file. If you click here, they will show you that the supported file. Here you can see that these are the databases. They supported from Web of Science, Scopus, OpenAlex, Dimension, Lens, PubMed, and Cochrane Library. So if you download data file from any of these databases, it is easily imported and analyzed in BiblioShiny. So here you can see for your understanding, these are the sources of databases and these are the format. If you use Web of Science, you have BibText, plain text, and EndNote that the format is available and accepted. In Scopus, you have BibText and CSV you can download. Likewise, you can open Alex, you can download API and Excel file. In Dimension, you have Excel and API. In Lens, you have CSV report. PubMed, you have PubMed export. And in Cochrane library, plain text is available. So these are the some instruction if you use some particular database. So these are the format, these are exported metadata. So in the R community, these are the recommended format. So if like in my old video, I have used Web of Science and Scopus to show you. So if you use Web of Science, make sure that plain text format is imported from the database. If you use Scopus, make sure CSV file is exported. So let's go upward. Then you have team publication. So these are the main author for the bibliometric analysis. You can refer to their paper. So the first one paper I have shown you. So just click here. Let's see the paper. So this is the paper. You can refer to this paper. This is wonderful paper for your understanding of bibliometric analysis. You can cite this paper in your paper if you want publication. So this is the paper author, and here let me give you a short intro. So this is the introduction of the paper. That is the recommended workflow of science mapping, study design, data collection, how you collect, how you analyze the data, the visualization chart, and then the interpretation. So this is the format. So this we will learn more about in the coming videos. Data analysis. So they have cited how you can use the data and how you can make the framework. So here, this is the framework they have used. So this is the data collection. You have collected the data and convert into bibliometric databases. Then you have document multiply by attribute normalization. That is, these are the some clustering they provide in analysis. Like you have PCA, MDS, MCA clustering. Then you have network metrics, co-coupling, co-citation, co-occurrence. All this we will see in the practical session and mapping. Then you have the software will provide you data visualization in the form of vectorial map, dendrogram, semantic map, network map, and histogram. So likewise, let's go here. So they also shown you the process of data loading, descriptive mathematics. So these are the bibliometric function. These are their description and the output you will get. So you can refer to this paper. This is a wonderful paper. So this is the output you will get in the R software. That is descriptive analysis. These are the top productive authors. These are the top 10 most cited papers. These are the productive countries, their number of articles, and their percentage of contribution in a particular field. Then you have descriptive most influential journals with the diagrams with flowcharts likewise. So I just skip this so because it is a lengthy paper. So we will do and see the practical. So these are the certain type of graph you will get. These are the keyword plus co-occurrence network you will get from your data set. You will get country collaboration, that the number of country who collaborate on a particular topic and field of studies. Then you have conclusions and this. So here you can refer to this paper. I will paste this paper link in the description box. You can download this paper. Let's go to our shiny page. So here you can do some setting if you want in the new file, and let's go to data. So this is the main option. Just go to import. Here you can click here. So you can import raw file. You can load bibliometrics file, or you can use a sample. They have also a sample data here, like you used in the uh, R software, R Studio. You have uh, sample database save here. Like you have car, you have many databases that are default you can use. So just click here, import raw file. Let me show you example. Then you click database. So these are the database from where you have collected the your data file. Say for example, I have collected the Scopus data files. Click Scopus. You can change, you can get the full name or surname and initial. Click here. Then click Browse file. Choose the file. So let's see, I have downloaded a file on the desktop. Desktop, you have folder 2. In the folder 1, I have a file, Scopus file. Here, where you have save your file. Like I have two file, bibtex file and CSV file. Let's check this file. Click here and then open. Your file is save here and then click start. Wait for 1 minute. Uh, So this Biblioshiny is converting my file from this raw to their understandable format. So here you can see that I have metadata. I have told you what is metadata. So 142 document from Scopus. So you can have a look here. So these are the metadata, their description. We have abstract, document types, the journals, the keywords, the language, their publication year, their titles, their total citation, site references, their author, their affiliation, DOI, corresponding author, keyword plus, and science category. So these are the missing count. So here you can see some analytics about my data. So based upon this, we have excellent data here. Here you have some good data, and then you have acceptable data, then critical data, and completely missing data. What it will show? It will show you that on the basis of these description and metadata, you can see that these files are excellent. You have all the information related to abstract, document, journal keyword, language and publication year, and total citation. Then you have good data related to site reference, author, affiliation, and DOI. And corresponding author, it is acceptable. In the last, you have see that the keyword plus you have critical data. It means there is some discrepancy in the data. So you have to again do some cleaning with the data. And here you can see that science category. So there is completely missing. It means that this file is completely missing, maybe some error. That's why it is in red. So you can check the report. Uh, for the time I will close here. So this is the interference you look for the first time. So here you can see that these are the DOI of the paper, name, author ID. You have year, journal year. Let me show you some. Here you can check. These are the file information they are getting, their UR, their affiliations. These are their variable they have used in their studies, their construct. These are their journals, their publication details, ISN number, their language, article finals. This is Scopus files. These are some references, universities. So likewise, you have all the metadata arranged here. So this is the interference of the Biblioshiny app. So here you can see that we have checked information from data. We have imported the data. You can use the filter to filter the data, or you want specific information only, you can filter use here. And now this is the main thing you will get here. So here you can see that you will get first option is overview, then you have sources, then you have authors, document, you have clustering, conceptual structure, intellectual structure, social structure, and lastly you will get a report and tall export, and lastly you can change the setting. So in the coming video we will explore this option one by one. So this video will become lengthy. So that's all for today's video. You can check my previous video, and if you like my video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment on my videos. I will try to comment. You can see my previous videos, and that's all. Thank you.